Hello everyone, I am Fatima Fia from grade 10. Today I am going to present a video on water pollution and water conservation. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies such as rivers, lakes, oceans and groundwater. This occurs when pollutants are discharged directly or indirectly into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove harmful compounds. Humans are the cause of most of the pollution in our waterways, and polluted stormwater is a major contributor to degradation of our waterways. Water pollution is any change, minor or major, in the physical, chemical, or biological properties of water that eventually leads to a detrimental consequence of any living organism. Drinking water, called potable water, is considered safe enough for human and animal consumption. Water pollution is a major problem in almost all the countries today. Even though we might have gained much technological advancement and human knowledge about the environment and pollution, but still it remains on top of environmental hazards and threats. The most common cause of water pollution is throwing or disposal of garbage in rivers and seas. Pollution in water is usually of roads, pesticides, fertilizers, industrial wastes, etc. It is caused by many factors such as dumping of untreated wastes in water bodies and also by discharge of industrial waste without any treatment. It can also take place due to natural causes like volcanic eruptions, landslides, forest fires, and floods. And the effect is water living creatures are heavily affected like crab, fish, seal, octopus, shark, and others too. Human beings are also affected by this, so we must take preventive steps to refresh water. The earth has about 1.35 cubic kilometers of water, of which about 97% is found in the oceans. The sole source of land water is atmospheric precipitation. It is roughly estimated that about 27% of precipitated water flows into oceans and about 73% is evaporated. A little percentage of water enters the soil whose some part reaches the deep zones. This is called gravitational water, whose upper layer is called water table. A recent study of Tata Energy Research Institute has shown that in the past 50 years, the availability of fresh water has declined by 2/3. In India, nearly 44 million people have been affected by poor quality of water caused by water pollution. Some poisons, pathogens pollute the water even in low concentration. Natural water pollution is due to silt, clay, animal waste, minerals, etc. Provision of clean water is a bare necessity of every human being. These are some impact of water pollution. Surface water usually contains small amount of suspended particles, organic and inorganic, and a number of microorganisms like bacteria, algae, viruses, protozoans, etc., and even higher organisms. Water becomes polluted when these substances increase in their concentration. Water pollution is a serious health hazard in India. It is estimated that 50 to 60% Indian population suffers from waterborne diseases, and about 30 to 40% of all deaths occur due to water pollution. These are some causes of water pollution. First one, industrial waste. Industries and industrial sites across the world are a major contributor to water pollution. Many industrial sites produce waste in the form of toxic chemicals and pollutants, and though regulated, some still do not have proper waste management systems in place. In those rare cases, industrial waste is dumped into nearby freshwater systems. When industrial waste is not treated properly, or worse, not treated at all, it can very easily pollute the freshwater systems that it comes into contact with. Industrial waste from agricultural sites, mines, and manufacturing plants can make its way into rivers, streams, and other bodies of water that lead directly to the sea. The toxic chemicals in the waste produced by these industries not only have the potential to make water unsafe for human consumption, They can also cause the temperature in freshwater systems to change, making them dangerous for many water-dwelling organisms. 2. Marine dumping. The process of marine dumping is exactly what it sounds like, dumping garbage into waters of the ocean. It might seem crazy, but household garbage is still collected and dumped into oceans by many countries across the world. Most of these items can take anywhere from 2 to 200 years to decompose completely. 3. Sewage and wastewater. Harmful chemicals, bacteria, and pathogens can be found in sewage and wastewater even when it's being treated. Sewage and wastewater from each household is released into the sea with fresh water. The pathogens and bacteria found in that wastewater breed disease and therefore are a cause of health related issues in humans and animals alike. 4. Oil leaks and spills. The age-old phrase like water and oil is used when describing two things that do not mix easily or at all. Just as the saying states, water and oil do not mix and oil does not dissolve in water. Large oil spills and oil leaks, while often accidental, are a major cause of water pollution. Leaks and spills often are caused by oil drilling operations in the ocean or ships that transport oil. Fifth one, agriculture. In order to protect their crops from bacteria and insects, farmers often use chemicals and pesticides. When these substances seep into the groundwater, they can harm animals, plants, and humans. Additionally, when it rains, the chemicals mix with the rainwater, which then flows into rivers and streams that filter into the ocean, causing further water pollution. 6th, global warming. Rising temperatures due to global warming are a major concern in terms of water pollution. Global warming causes water temperatures to rise, which can kill water-dwelling animals. When large die-offs occur, it further pollutes the water supply, exacerbating the issue. There are many everyday ways you can help reduce global warming, which will in turn help lower water pollution. These methods include recycling, carpooling, and using CFL bulbs in your home. 7th, radioactive waste. Radioactive waste from facilities that create nuclear energy can be extremely hazardous to the environment and must be disposed of properly. This is because uranium, the element used in the creation of nuclear energy, is a highly toxic chemical. Unfortunately, accidents still occur at these facilities and toxic waste is released into the environment. The coal and gas industries are in many ways no better. This is one of the major impetuses behind the development of alternative, clean sources of energy including solar and wind. These are some causes of water pollution. Why it's important to conserve water? To guard against rising cost and potential conflict, to prepare for future droughts, to make water available for recreational purposes, to strengthen communities, to preserve the environment. Water conservation includes all the policies, strategies, and activities to sustainably manage the natural source of fresh water, to protect the hydrosphere, and to meet the current and future human demand. Population, household size, and growth and affluence all affect how much water is used. Factors such as climate change have increased pressures on natural water resources, especially in manufacturing and agricultural irrigation. Many countries have already implemented policies aimed at water conservation with much success.